This video will tell you more about how to search in the library's catalog. A library catalog is a website that tells you everything that is in your school library. So it's just for your school library, and it can tell you what books are there, what audiobooks, what ebooks. So it's very helpful for finding a book. So we start here on psbma.org and we click on library. And then you find your school over here. I'm going to do this school. And this opens something called Destiny, which is what our school library catalog is called. This is like a program that organizes all our books for us. So you can search for either the exact name of the book you're looking for, or you can search for something that you're interested in, or a few words of the title if you only remember a few words. So we'll try a couple different things. Let's say I know that I want to read Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. So if I search for exactly that, I already know what I want. It will show me all the copies of Harry Potter that my library has. So this is a book we can see, and it's checked into the library. It tells us over here, but it's not an ebook, so I couldn't read it at home. I would have to get it from the library. So that's what you could do if you knew exactly what you wanted. But if you just you're not sure what you wanted, let's say you wanted any book about pandas. So if I search for the word pandas, it shows me all the different books in the library that have to do with pandas. And some of these are picture books, and some are nonfiction books, and some are made up stories about pandas. So once you search, you have to look a little bit more and think about what it is you're actually looking for. If I thought to myself, I want a made up story about pandas, this one looks like it's probably a made up story, right? It says fiction here. The cover has a sort of made up looking picture on the front. That's a clue that this is a made up story. But if I wanted facts about pandas, I might look for something like this. These numbers tell me that this is a true book about pandas, and there's a picture of a real panda on the front. Those are both clues that this is a true book about pandas. And it's also important to remember that this catalog shows you what the library has. It doesn't answer a question for you like Google would or other search engines. So if I put what do pandas eat in here, it's not really going to help me. I would have to, if I wanted to know what pandas eat, I would have to either find a book about it or look in a database. So that's something kids get confused about sometimes. This is not a search engine that can answer a question for you. It can tell you what books will help you answer your question. Or if you want the question right now, you could look in a database. So this is just a little bit about how to search the catalog. There is a lot more you can do with this. So if you're interested in learning more, you can ask your librarian or just try exploring the catalog on your own a little bit.